Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fiza Suhail and my roll number is BIT18009. The name of my app is the photo editing app. First of all, I will describe the activity main XML page. Here I take the two text views and the one button, and the button that is used as the editing button, and here I use the constraint layout for all these. Next, I will explain the result activity page, XML page. Here I also created the three views, two image views and the one image view that is used for the editing image. Next, I will describe the main activity Java code. Here I use the activity main bindings. Actually, the bindings are provides the views to bind with the activities which is ongoing and replacing the find view ID methods. So here I created the view binding and enabled it. Next, I applied the set on click listener on the binding view on the edit button. Applied the on click listener on the edit button. Here I created the intent and the object of the intent that get some type of the content that is the image, and send that image for editing. In the override on activity result, I take the two if conditions. If the result code is equal to image request code, and if the data is not null, if this is the type of the image on which we applied, we want to apply some type of the editing. So here I created the path of that image for which on which we want to apply some type of the editing, and created the intent of the DS photo editor that will get to the path and shows that the edited images in the result activity. If the request code is equal to result code, then it will run that type of the code. Next, I will explain the result activity dot Java code. Here also, I created the binding view that will provide the views to bind with the activities which is ongoing and replacing the bind view by IDs. Next, I will show you the that code. This code is for this code I am creating for the color scheme that I used on the main activity interface. In the manifest Android manifest file, I add some type of the activities and the permissions that the user will get whenever he or she uses the app for the first time. And here is the some kind of the activities I included related to my editor. And this is all activity that my app will providing the crop activity and the crop activities and filter activity and many more other activities. So in the build Gradle app, I include the SDK related dependencies that is required for this project. And here also I also include the libraries like this. Now I will show you the working of my app. Here is the interface of my app. First, it looked like this. Now I click on the edit button. Here is the image. You want to apply any type of the editing on it. It contains a frame, round, exposure, contrast, vignette, crop, orientation, crop. It will also create some crop activity. You can also apply some type of the sharpness and the warmth on it. Take, and here is the image will be saved. Now you can check this from where it is saved. And here is the edited image. Thank you, and this is the working of my app.